right, guys, this is it. Last booth interview, Shop 2025 at DEMKO Knives with Matt. This is it, man. What we got this year?
Well, this year for 2025, we're releasing a Compass Blade AD20, MG AD20, made in the USA at our Newcastle location.
Oh.
Obviously, it has our patented shark lock designed and engineered by Andrew Demko. But that Compass Blade is something we're really excited about this year. A couple other variants in the MG AD20. We're going to have the big belly handle released and also a full finger grip.
That is a full-size blade.
The Cerakoting on this one was something we were testing for the show. There may be some floating around out this year in 2025, but that gives you a visual of what our Cerakoting is looking like. We're also going to be releasing
Fixed blades.
the Fixed Blade Free Rein in MagnaCut steel. I believe also 3V and different blade shapes as well, like a clip point, drop point. We're also going to be releasing the Armiger 4 in MagnaCut steel. The handles are imported from Taiwan on both these models. The blade is completely made in the US of USA made steel, so it's USA made with the injection molded handles and sheath from Taiwan. The sheaths themselves, no glass reinforcement on the center injection molded, so when you insert and pull out your blade, it doesn't dull the blade, it doesn't scratch it. All the glass reinforcement is in the outside edge, so you get the rigidity and the durability in the outside edge. The outside edge is also removable, which will expose a drain hole, so if you ever had any fluids or dirt in there, you can flush it out and blow it out and air dry it.
Beautiful. Then, moving on to...
Look
at this.
These are our Japanese manufactured kitchen knives. VG10 Sanmai steel. We're going to be working on the branding, so this is just our first prototype for the show. Beautiful hamon on there. I don't know if you can see that in your camera.
Right there. Yep, you got the hamon right on the bottom there.
Yep.
Hammered finish.
Hammered
VG10.
finish on the top. You're going to be able to purchase these individually or as a set. The set will come with a block similar to this, which also holds your cutting board on the back.
Awesome. This is an octagonal handle.
Oak.
Oak.
Oh yeah. Let's see. So yeah, you can see the different edges on there. Is it?
Yeah. Finally, chef knives. So you got a chef knife, utility knife, Santoku?
Correct.
I forgot the name of that one.
Same. That's why I didn't say any of the names because I didn't want to butcher them.
This one's kind of weird. It's like in between the chef knife and the cleaver.
Correct.
I never remember the name of that. I have a bunch of these, but I just never use them.
Correct.
I'm all about that utility knife, paring knife, chef knife.
They are designed in a very thin manner so that you can slice fish like sashimi. That's the idea behind it. Obviously, sushi, fine cuts of meat, extremely sharp. We're really excited about these.
And VG10.
VG10 Sanmai, correct.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect process for that. Perfect. All right, Matt. Thanks, man. Let's get out of here. Once again, guys, DEMKO Knives. Thanks, man.
Thank you.